This is a review of some bars, drop bars that I fabricated. I took some old Randonneer drop bars that had a slight bend in them, flared out a bit, but they were way too narrow. So I took a centerpiece from a mountain bike flat bar. I cut off about 6 inches off each end of the mountain bike bar, and I welded the drop bar that I had sawed in half to the ends of that, and now they are 2 feet wide, 23 and a half, 24, depending where you measure, but they're approaching 24 inches. This is I think 89 Miyata 618G. It's got the cantilever brakes, diacomps. Really pretty bike, nice color. It's kind of scratched up, so I might repaint it. But the bars came out great. These are old diacomp flat bar style brake levers, Sun Tour thumb shifters off of an old Peugeot mountain bike. I swapped out the original cranks that were on here to some Shimano Biopace Dior LX cranks, because I really needed that granny gear. It's got 6-speed back in the back, Wobbler rims, and it's got a nice short Miyata stem that I kicked. And that's about it. It seems to be riding pretty nice. Got all the control because I got my hands up on top of the bars. I can squeeze them brakes, you know, when I want to climb, I can grab onto the drop ends, and so yeah, looking pretty good. I'm out here in Turnbull Canyon. It's pretty nice. January 2021.